Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm getting started a little early today. Gonna get the upper relocation arm kit there, or is it there, installed onto the car to TMZ. Last night I got the old UPR adjustables out, and thought I'd kind of document how to get these things installed there. But let me hop into the car. It's not being, the whole car rear isn't being supported by the jack stand or jack itself. I've got my stands on the subframe connectors here, but you can see, let's see, right here, what I've started to do is basically you take a 3/8 drill bit into the actual rubber piece of that and just walk around it, and you can get that out. And then I'll show you guys how I will basically get that guy out there. So that's it, just get started on that. I already did the other side. I let some PB Blaster sit overnight to ease in the installation there, or ease in the removal. So once you guys get this guy out here, which isn't that bad, then I'll show you what you can do to get it out without having to buy one of those tools. Well, you're gonna need a tool with what I'm gonna use, but I'll show you how I do it. So that's that. So as you can see, once you get it all loosened or drilled out and stuff, it just comes right out. That's it. So now I'll get the air going on my air compressor there and get this guy out. Hey guys, sorry I couldn't get the video going on there, but this is the metal sleeve that's in the housing itself. So what I did was basically take a chisel, as you can see here, and indent this portion in here, whatever's accessible to you. And I took an air hammer here and just put along the edge and walked it right out. So a lot of these, let me get up under the car here. So that's what it looks like without those bushings in there. It is a task under the car, but I got it done. But a lot of these guys have flash castings from the factory, so this guy's gonna have to be filed down. But that's it. So I'm gonna press forward with the install. So here it is, all installed. That bracket there, as you can see, goes up to the top. This is where the old balancer or harmonic unit used to sit, so they use the existing hole. And up there, right there, is where the old bushing used to sit. So it basically comes right across here. Getting that old bushing out is a challenge if you don't have that tool, but as I showed you on my previously how I got that out, you can do it that way. And it basically bolts up to this harness, I guess you can call it, but their existing unit, their unit there, and it goes all the way to the top, and that's what takes the place of the original upper control arm. So that's it. All I got to do now is set the pinion angle, and she should be good to go.